find coal theft occurring.
Mining security consultant Skalk Dupré says the losses to the mining industry are crippling.
Intelligence sources and through investigations are indicating that specific coal yards dealing in stolen coal will receive between 20 to 60 trucks per day.
Per day?
I mean, that's one yard.
Since 2019, at least 67 illegal operations have been identified in the area.
It looks like where we are standing now. It will look exactly like this. It will have stockpiles. Some of these illegal traders have their own crushers. Some of them is, if you go and look at their background, it's a legitimate registered company. And you will deal in both legal and illegal coal.
And with high local and international demand for coal, there's no shortage of shady suppliers hunting for opportunity. But selling the coal is not as easy as it looks.